lórí àjígbọ́tọ̀kọ. Ẹ wo gèlè yáyá lórí àjígbọ́tọ̀kọ. Ayé ni n ò jẹ, n ò ní jìyà. Ẹ wo gèlè yáyá lórí àjígbọ́tọ̀kọ.
So now, because we're having 4 joinings, 4 away, we're picking 4 to 5, I mean 5 to 6. So this is 2,
Me, I am ready for the party.
5,
I want all this party.
6.
I go really early, oh, I know your story. I go
So she's going to hold this side.
to buy material. I go tie my gele, yeah, 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 and I go no say I don't go. If you see my gele, oh, it go wound everybody. Gele me got you to yellow.
You can see my pleats for my V.
Gele me got you to yellow.
Slants, not
Gele me got you.
and then standing on top of each other towards the so now she's going to hold here for me. Now she's holding here for me, so now I have to tidy up this part. So you can make sure it's set.
Everybody body
Set.
party
Now
up. I'm gonna look me up and down. I go shake my head.
So now she's holding for me.
Left and right.
So
So that them go know
I open
say
up.
my gele getting shine shine.
Then her
I
hair.
go and catch the party oh. So my gele and your fanda. Even mama Sikira, I see mama she sober. I know say they like my gele, but
I
they
collect
no
my
go
pleats.
compliment.
Remember we picked 6
If you see my gele,
pleats at the back on both
it go
sides.
wound everybody.
Remember the shorter hand is going above the longer hand always.
Gele mi gaju ti ela o. Gele mi gaju ti ela. Gele 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 tó pọ̀ pàjẹ́. Gele mi gaju ti ela o. Gele mi gaju ti ela. Gele mi gaju ti ela. Gele mi gaju ti ela. Gele tó fine, gele tó set.
So now she's going to go here.
Gele tó fine, gele tó set.
This side. This side is lagging here, so I have to pull it all the way up. This side.
More music and greater flavor than
Which one am I just now suck it in. Sorry. Which one am I pulling? I mean I pulled it wrong. Okay, yeah. Okay, so here we have it. So one ear is covered because it's a V entry, so we're going to be covering this like that. So same thing, 6 pleats. So I picked my pleat first, so now I'm putting it on. Okay, so now can you see? So our pleats are neatly picked and our person should be in the middle. So this is it, in the middle. So now we twist in. This technique is very effective. Twisting in, it helps you save the stress of having to hold too much fabric in your hand. So I pin. Now this is the way this place is going to be. So now this is what we are using for our fan, which is the Avant-Garde. So we're taking 4 pleats, then you base. You base, So I have my 4. So this is my pleats. Now this is where we twist in again. Then we pin. Make sure you pulled your material and it's firm before you pin, so you don't have it loose there. Then you pin same way, pinch the lower, then swing in, pinching through the other lower part of the fabric. So this is it. So now we want to start our avant-garde. So let's go. So for our avant-garde, this is our material. So I'm bringing forward like this. So it's coming like this. Now can you see? Now this is my fabric. Now this fabric that we used at first is going to be packed in here. So we're going to be having something. It's not going to be too bulky, but so it's in already. I pushed it in. So now let's come to the front. So here we're taking it in a row like this. Stop. So this material at the back, this one that we brought here, this one, the remains, we're gonna bring it here like this from the back. You're going to pull it from the back and bring it there. So this is going to form like a pillar to roll your pleats around. So now you're going to pleat like this. Just it's not supposed to be an even pleat. Just something you can move around with. Now look at it. Now once you have this, then you start once you've gone in the first twist, then you start your fanning. Now let's go. You keep on picking your pleats till you get to the almost very end of the pleating section. So you can see my pleats. I'm arranging my pleats. Now this is where I'll start forming my fan. Can you see? Can you see it? So now I have shorter material. Whenever you have shorter material of this length or something like this, then you start your fan. So let's start. This is the first one. So you hold down. Sorry. You continue. Okay. You take another one in. You hold down. You continue. You take another one in. Can you see? You hold down, you continue. Okay. You take another one in. Like that. Let's do that again. Take another one in. Another one. Then another one. So can you come to this side? Oh, this side I'm picking. How you can see it.
Actually,
Push me down. So now you're going in a circle. That's beneath the first what's it called, rollover you've done. You're going beneath it like this. Now you can see my pleats. Now pleats are still going beneath. so you don't pull too much, so you don't lose your fan. Now I'm going to pin. I'm going to come back to my fan to arrange them, but first I'm going to pin this one I'm rolling over with. I'm going to pin it here. I'm going to pin it under, so just need one pin or two to make sure it's well pinned. You can pin again to secure it. Okay, so now I want to stand my fan so they can look good. Sorry. So I can pull a little fabric from here and I'll start arranging. So and this one I can just use this one to just make another fan like shape on top of my Gele, then I pin. So make sure your fans are well pleated and at least visible, straightforward. Okay, so now my fans are pleated. So what do I do next? Now I want my avant-garde to stand in the right position. So now you can twist just the way I did now. Just twist, just to style it in the right position to make it stay like that. Okay, so you can see what we have. Now this is it. So now we need to tidy up the back. So how do we tidy up the back? So we go to the back now. Then you just spin. Just spin. Okay. So here we have it. This is our one-sided rose, which is also called Avant-Garde. So so we're good to go. So this is it. So try it out and let's see what you have. For a clearer view, this is our final outlook. So now, because we're having 4